Dealing with test anxiety. Crafting your study plan. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into one of the most effective ways to combat test anxiety, especially when preparing for the TOEFL and IELTS exams. And that is, developing a robust study plan. Having a clear and structured plan can significantly reduce the uncertainty and stress that often come with exam preparation. Let's get started. A study plan is not just a timetable. It's your personal roadmap to exam success. By designing a well-thought-out plan, 1. You can ensure consistent progress over time. 2. Prioritize topics that you find more challenging. 3. Monitor your performance and adjust accordingly. 4. And most importantly, alleviate the fear of the unknown, a significant contributor to test anxiety. To craft a successful study plan, it should be 1. Flexible. Life happens. Ensure your plan can accommodate unexpected events without derailing your progress. 2. Realistic. Avoid overloading yourself. It's about quality, not just quantity. 3. Balanced. Don't just focus on one skill like reading. Incorporate listening, speaking, and writing equally. 4. Review intensive. Regularly review past topics to ensure retention and understanding. 1. Assess your current level. Before anything else, understand where you stand. Take a diagnostic test if possible. 2. Break down the syllabus. Understand the structure of the TOEFL or IELTS exam. Know the different sections and the type of questions to expect. 3. Allocate time realistically. If you have 2 months to prepare, break down your weeks. Maybe 3 days for reading, 2 for listening, and so on. 4. Set milestones. Weekly or bi-weekly milestones can motivate you and help track your progress. 5. Include buffer days. These are for catching up on missed lessons or for unexpected events. 6. Regularly review and adjust. At the end of the week, reflect on your progress. Adjust your plan if needed. Stay accountable. Tell a friend about your plan, or better yet, study with a buddy. Avoid burnout. Remember to take breaks and get enough rest. Stay inspired. Watch success stories. Read motivational quotes, or whatever keeps your spirits up. Practice regularly under exam conditions. This will make you familiar with the test's format and reduce anxiety. A study plan is your secret weapon against test anxiety. It provides structure, motivation, and a sense of purpose in your TOEFL or IELTS preparation journey. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a well-structured plan. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you all the best in your exam preparations.